for you. Whenever you're ready to start, Karim.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so my name is Karim Hammoud, and today I'm gonna speak about the use of data science in the finance industry. And the reason why I chose this subject because I have a little bit over 6 years of experience working in the finance industry. So I really want to talk about something that I understand. So as you may know, there's so many areas that the data science could be used in the finance industry, but the top 4 areas that has been used, which is the making decisions for trading and investing. The second area, which is a major area, which is fraud detection, preventing hacking, and also cyber attacks. The third area, which is customer data management and also saving the data on the cloud, also adding some recommendation systems and products for the client. And the last one, which is the automation. And this is like very important because each company tries to create its own automation and basically codes and algorithm to help them with their transactions. So with this decision making, so this is a major area because a lot of investors and traders, they depend a lot on the charts, analysis, the predictions. They use a lot of the past and the current data to basically build up algorithms and projections to predict the future or the move of the market in the future. So it's a very important area to basically build up an algorithm using the analysis and the charts to judge the markets, in what direction it's going. The second area, which is the fraud detection, and this is the very important because it prevents hacking and cyber attacks. But there are like 2 types of fraud detections. There are fraud that could target the institution itself or could target the customers. And as we all know, like machine learning and supervised and unsupervised learning is highly used to detect the classification of the fraud and identifying any unusual transactions. So it's a major area to really for data scientists here. A lot of companies, they have like a whole team to basically just prevent cyber attacks as well as hacking. So the third area, which is customer management, and here, as we know, like most of the organizations, they save the data on the cloud. So there's, first of all, there are high possibility of like the attacks on those data, and also how it's saved, how those data are saved, and is it easy to store, how is it easy also to pull those data when it's needed. And also at the same time, companies try to use those data to basically recommend new products to the customers. And that's also like a major area to build up like recommendation systems to basically check what's the preference of the clients and the customers. And the last one, which is the automation, there's so many companies spend so much money on creating their own algorithm and systems just to make sure they elevate themselves from the competitors. So what may work for one company could not work for the other company, or what may work for a bank, it doesn't mean it's going to work for the other bank, because each company is going to create their own system, their own codes and softwares to, first of all, try to elevate themselves over the competitors, and also help to like run their transactions in more efficient and quicker way. So those are the four major areas. There's so many different areas, other areas, but I just didn't want to mention because of the timing of this presentation, but those are the four major ones, which is decision making, fraud detections, customer management, and automation. And that's it for me.
Thank you, Karim. This reminds me